guys, for those who wants to work an sewing job, I'm inviting you to come over here, and the details are the location is in Chiba, and the working hours is to 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So 180,000 yen to 200,000 yen is the working salary. And if you're interested on that job, in that sewing job, I'm inviting you to come over here in our main office in Tokyo, Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 o'clock, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday at 2 o'clock p.m. But if you're in Osaka or in Nagoya, I'm inviting you to come in Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 o'clock a.m. And more than 20 companies are introducing their jobs for us, and every time you come here, you will get one ticket which serves as your interview, and the blue ticket serves as your free meal on that day. And the hotline number is 036-206-8058. And the location is in Kanda Sudacho, Chiyodoku, here in Tokyo.